Hey, it's Matt McQuinn here. Glad to put a face to the name for you. I imagine this is the first time that you've actually seen my face, so good to meet you. I'm going to quickly show you how to find HVAC leads through Coldlytics in a way that nobody else is doing, or very few other people besides those who have already discovered this method through Coldlytics. So kind of cut ahead of everybody else in your space and really dominate using this method. So let's go over to Google for a second, and we're just going to search for let's go HVAC companies in, and then put your city or whatever the target city is, Denver. And we'll come down to the map pack here, or the 3-pack in this case. It's showing me 4. We'll click on more businesses. Now the shortcut to get here, you can actually just go to maps.google.com, guys, but this is just as easy to go to Google immediately and search for the niche companies in wherever. So what this does is this is giving us a nice list of all of the different heating and air companies that you want to try and sell your marketing services to, right? So this is fantastic stuff. Excellent. There's pages and pages of this. We know that if we zoom out, we're going to see more from other areas. If we were to expand and change, kind of like if we were to search Boulder, we'd do the same thing, but it would just change a little bit. Here we go, right? So now there's a whole other batch of them here. So this is great. Let's say we've looked at this and we said we know all of these companies are relevant targets for us. How do we get in front of them? How do we get their contact information? How do we find out who the owner is, what their business line or maybe even their direct phone number is for the business, and what's their email? I don't want to just send an email to sales@hvac.com. Like, I want to talk to the owner, obviously, to get through. So a little bit of background of how I came up with this product, and there's 2 co-founders here, myself and Richard Francis. It's a product of my past agency experience and Richard's data mining expertise, as well as development for Fortune companies. So what we have built is a product that identifies the companies using specific strategies, and then we actually pair human researchers with this to go out and find the contact details. So you're getting contacts that nobody else is getting because they're not just coming from a database. Everybody else that sells data is selling stuff out of a database, but we are selling you data that we go out and mine, and we have our research team, human researchers, go and find these contacts, right? So super excited about this, excited to show you guys this product. Let's jump up to Coldlytics. So it's spelled like analytics, but it's cold at the beginning, so coldlytics.com, because it's built for cold outbound outreach. You're going to go to sign up, and I'm going to give you guys a promo code. If you reach out to me and you want a promo code, you go ahead and reach out. If I've sent this to you in an email, then you've already got your promo code in my reply. But happy to hook you guys up for watching this video. We appreciate that. So when you do have a promo code, you click this button, you come down here and you enter it right here, and you'll be good to go. So once you're logged in, let's go ahead and log in for a second. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like once you've got tasks in progress. Some are in progress, some are done, some I've just saved as a draft. Let's go ahead and create a new task. Now you'll just see kind of an introductory, you may see a free trial window or a demo video here when your account's brand new. But in this case, let's click on this button right here at the top for new. It will default to the amount of leads in your account. Our minimum list size is 25. And then we're going to come down to seniority level. So general targeting, you can play with all of these, but generally when you're using the Google Maps strategy, you only need to define that you're looking for a certain level of decision maker. Then we'll keep going. It says, please provide at least one data source for your list. Data sources. We open the door to a whole lot of different resources that you can start to identify companies with for us to go out and find contacts from, and more similar companies like them. But under Google Maps, this is where we're going to paste that link. Sorry, that's a phone number. Let's go over here to HVAC companies in Boulder. We'll copy this, and we're going to paste in here and hit enter. Boom. So we've got that in there, guys. Now we know that we're looking for owners and founders of HVAC companies in Boulder or Denver, wherever the area is that you're looking for. Then we'll come down here, and if you need to, set parameters on company headcount or anything like that, you can. But generally speaking, if they've got a Google business profile, if they're an HVAC company, you don't really need to mess with this stuff, because you're seeing positive signals that they're open to digital marketing services anyway, or whatever services you may be providing, if otherwise. The next button down here takes you to the data point screen. So we've got first name, last name, company name, job title, email, and company website by default. You can come in and add other data points, including a direct dial for their mobile phone number for the business. We don't source personal contact information due to compliance, but we will source direct business lines for that person. So if they have a business cell phone or a business desk phone, like at their office, we'll try and source those for you as well. So there's a wealth of information that you can get in here. Let's go ahead to the next page. We'll call this HVAC Denver demo. Actually, I think this one was bolder. And we'll just review, make sure that we have everything in our criteria here that we wanted under the targeting. And if that looks good, we'll click Start Task. And then it's going to confirm how many credits you're going to use. Now, in this case, I don't need to start it. So I'll just hit Cancel, and I'll go to Tasks, and you'll see that we have a draft saved here. So let's say that you get this list from us back, right? And it comes in a spreadsheet to you within 24 hours from our research team. Now, if you get this list back and you're like, wow, this is great. I need more data. Like I only got a list of 25, but I know there's at least 100 potentially that I want to reach out to. Great, we'll try and mine those for you. All you have to come do is find the list that's done, click on Actions, and then click on Run again. And it's going to ask how many additional leads you're looking for. This time I want 100. Now, I don't need that. This is just an example, but this has been a really quick demo for you guys and showing you how to source HVAC companies that nobody else has contact for. So there's some other cool stuff that we can do to help you guys get an edge. So if you've made it this far in the video, you can just jump off here. If you want to stay for a couple gold nuggets at the end, let's do it. We're going to go back up into targeting, and under data points, we haven't added these into our drop-down menu yet, but they will be here soon. Things you can request are page speed. So this will give you the load speed for the website. You can get their LinkedIn ad pixel, their Facebook pixel, and Google pixel presence. So what will happen is if we source it, we'll mark this as yes or no. We'll identify everybody that's advertising already, including, so here's what you do with this information. If you're still like, this is great, but I'm not seeing the application here. If somebody has a pixel installed, it means they have intent to spend on advertising today or in the past. And so it's way easier using Frankie Finn's shoe buyer method. If you're not familiar with that, go to YouTube, search Frankie Finn, F-H-I-N, shoe buyer method. And he's got great content on finding buyers with closets full of shoes. If you sell shoes, you want to sell to somebody that has a closet full of shoes, not somebody barefoot that doesn't even believe that they need shoes in the first place, right? So if you can come in and say, hey, look, we know all your competitors have, some indication that they wanted to run ads, and so do you, but you're not doing a very good job, or you don't even have any ads running right now. Here's where we can help. What an advantage that gives you over everybody else. Same thing if you're doing SEO services, page speed's massive. You can say, hey, look, here's the average load speed. We know we can get you from 5 seconds to a full paint up to 2 seconds or less than 2 seconds, which is optimized for Google's algorithm. Then you're going to be pushed to the top naturally, especially when we start introducing our content offering. Here's 2 other HVAC companies across the country that we did this for. Boom, right? What incredible messaging that is. So this gives you the power to really sell your service in a top-notch way. Thanks for watching this. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. To subscribe to Coldlytics, you can just come up here, go to your account settings. You will add a card and then subscribe to a plan. Choose payment method right here. You'll enter your details, and then you can get on. Now, these plans are our current promotions. We are going to be updating our prices at the end of the year, but if you guys get in on these prices, you'll be grandfathered in. Some will stay, some will change. It's all kind of fluctuating as we innovate the product for you guys. Our goal is to always provide the most economical but top tier product we can. So rather than sell you a whole bunch of crappy leads for cheap, which is what everybody does, we'd rather sell you a smaller amount of really good lead data that's going to convert into business, right? Because I mean, if your average ticket is $1,000 per client, then spending $300 in data to get that one client is well worth it. You're making money on the first month, right? And so that's how we look at this. And from my past agency operations, that's how I got to the conclusion of there's no sense in sending 1 million emails that don't convert. I'd rather send one that converts than 1 million that didn't for the one that might, right? I think you guys probably experienced this too. Same with cold calling. It's the same principle. Like if you can get closer to the buyer initially, it's worth paying for to save that time and get that shortcut. But if you're not at that point in your business and you're saying, Matt, this is a cool strategy, I like this, it's just simply too expensive, I can't afford even $100 a month right now for 100 qualified contacts, plus you get this bonus if you're seeing this on your end, it's still there. That's okay. I've been there myself, so I get that. And if that's the case, start out with some of the competitor products to try and get contact information that are a little bit cheaper, like D7 Lead Finder. You can actually watch our YouTube video. It's called The True Cost of D7 Lead Finder. And once you're scaling your agency, or once you're kind of starting to get momentum, or you have capital to invest in your company, you shouldn't be using crappy data and you shouldn't be making the mistakes that come with it. But if you guys are still day one, that's okay. There's no right or wrong. It's better that you guys take action, take what I'm teaching you and just apply it, even if you don't get to use all the features that I've shown you in Coldlytics. Because I know that someday you'll get there, you'll grow and say, man, I wish I had the data points I could get from Coldlytics, and you'll be back. So I appreciate you guys watching this. Like I said, thanks for your time. Have a wonderful day.